I regret marrying my husband and I am stuck. How can I make things better? I married my husband 2 years ago, been together for 8 years total. When we met, he was the kindest man I knew and still is. But he has a gaming addiction. He didn't bring much to the table, no degrees to speak of, no situation whatsoever. But I believed in his potential. My family got him a job, and he showed lots of potential at first. He wanted to study web development, and he was making great progress. So to support his dream, we used all our saving and bought a better computer for him, and that's where the problem began. He started playing video games nonstop on said computer. He would work for a couple of hours, then spend the rest of his time gaming. He stopped programming altogether and stopped trying to be better. He was suddenly content with our situation. We are still saving money as we go, but the potential I have seen in him is long gone. And now his graphic card burned. And he is telling me we need a new one for his work to continue. And not going to lie, that was the straw that broke the camel's back. The graphic card in question is worth 80% of our salary, and no, he doesn't need it to work. And it is not needed for his job to continue. I, on the other hand, gave up on heating in our kitchen and the rest of our house. Gave up on necessities because we were saving. And this lack of sacrifice on his side made me feel foolish and used. I can't do this anymore, but my lack of self-worth is stopping me from doing anything. What would you recommend I do? Speaking with him is useless. He will just justify it somehow and turn it around on me. We have a 4 months old together, and I am not very optimistic about our future. He is a grown teenager, and I am not raising another child. I have one of my own. What advice would you give me? I can't divorce, at least not now. I'm looking for a job at the moment. What more can I do?